Everyone can make Chinese steamed eggs. They're so easy to make with only a few ingredients. But how do you make it super silky with no air bubbles? Stay tuned. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna crack in the eggs. And add the salt. Whisk. And we have here about 1 cup of eggs. Here is 1.5 cups of lukewarm chicken stock. You can also replace it with water. The temperature is between 98 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 to 41 degrees Celsius. The ratio of eggs to liquid is about 1 to 1.5. Pour in the lukewarm chicken stock and whisk. Through a fine mesh strainer, pour the egg mixtures into the serving bowl so there are no more air bubbles. In a steamer over high heat, bring it to a boil, turn to low heat. And place in the serving bowl and cover with a plate. This will prevent any water droplets from falling on the eggs and creating uneven surfaces. Cover the lid and steam until the eggs are cooked through, about 13 minutes. Now we're going to turn off the heat and let it rest in the pot for about 2 minutes before uncovering. You can have it just the way it is, or just add a little sesame oil on top and enjoy. Super delicious. It's kind of like eating savory egg custard or very silky egg tofu. It's just so good. Very simple but yet shockingly delicious. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!